Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today video we will learn how to link our pages to the layout of our blog top menu bar. So let's start the class. For this purpose, I will view our blog, my blog. So this is my interface of my blog. Now I will do customize and link the pages to this menu. So let's start. Go to layout section. After that, click on the top link. So there is home about. So how to link this about page to this about label. So click on about. So there is no about page. Okay. Blogger. Open. Click on pages. View about us. Control C, go to layout, Control V and save. After this, go to contact page, remove this. Okay, so there is contact us page. Click on this, copy this link and paste here and save. After that, a disclaimer, remove the hash number button. So disclaimer, click on this, click on this link, select and copy and paste here. Click on this. Now privacy policy, pages, view privacy policy, copy the address, paste here. Okay, and save. And last is term and condition. So remove the, go to page, view term and condition page, copy the link and paste here, save and just click, and then click on save. The menu will be saved, and click on the customization last save option. Click on this. It is processing. So all the save is done. Now view blog, click on about, it will go to the about section. Click on contact, it will go to the contact section, and click on disclaimer, it will go to the disclaimer section. Click on privacy policy, it will go to the privacy policy. Click on term condition, it will go to the term and condition. So this is the customization of the top menu bar of our blogger using Manifold themes. If you need the Manifold theme premium version, so ask in comment section. I will provide link to you for the download. Okay, so in today's class we learn how to link pages to the top menu bar. For this purpose, open your blogger, go to layout and click on the link list top bar links, and then copy the addresses of the pages to the label. The page will link to the label. Just once again, see this: about, contact, disclaimer, privacy policy and term and condition. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, Press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Thanks for watching.